Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video. I'm going to add a text over it, and I'm going to type in, okay, Valorant is really long. I'm just going to type in Valo, but you can type in anything you want, obviously. Then you're going to just, okay, I feel like it's too long. Copy and paste it, and then make it look like this. Okay, so there's 4 letters, right? On the first one, you're going to select the V, just like the first one, and you're going to select a color, like any color that you want. I might choose like this blue one, for instance. Then I'm going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to slide it again to the right. And I'm going to take the V and the A, and then I will choose that same exact color. Then I will just copy and paste that again and adjust the text. And I will select the first 3 and then again change it to the same color. And lastly, I have the O. Select everything, and then I will choose that color. And you'll have this really cool animation. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Sorry, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.